Bitcoin today, yet another all-time high. Things are going parabolic on Bitcoin. We are breaking above every trend line yet again. Seems I'm repeating every day the same stuff here. On the weekly chart, we can see that there is almost no bear here. This is really strong. Is this sustainable? That's the big question everybody's wondering. Oh, I don't think so. I think we are going too far too fast. This is great, and I think we can continue much higher before we correct down. But at some point we will correct, that's for sure, and we will correct quite violently, I think. But for now, people want to be greedy, and this is the market we have. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we are approaching the $12,000 level here, and at the $10,000 level, everybody thought that we're gonna reverse. Now at the 12,000, everybody's thinking we're gonna reverse, but that might not be the case. We might continue to 15,000 and there is no end in sight. But looking at the daily chart, this looks pretty much parabolic to me, and quite unhealthy market, if you ask me. So yeah, things are a bit tricky at this point. On the Ethereum chart, this is the Ethereum. This looks more constructive to me. It's cleaner. It's very clean as opposed to the Bitcoin chart. And as we can see, we broke out of the triangle. We retested the breakout, and now I think we might consolidate here for a few weeks to see higher prices. And to me, this chart seems very constructive as opposed to the Bitcoin chart. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Yes, I think we can. If we do consolidate, I think it's even better, because it means that we are accumulating buy orders here, and then we break out, and this is very good. So I wish we don't break out now. I wish we consolidate more here in this area for a few weeks, and then we break out to the upside. So on the 4-hour charts, nothing more. Litecoin, this is the daily chart on Litecoin, and here we can see we are going parabolic. I don't like that, because every time we go parabolic, we retrace, and I think we need the retracement. This is great, and I think we'll have to correct at some point. The question is when. I think we can continue higher. And but I would be cautious at those levels. Yeah, this is on the 4-hour chart. Litecoin. This is introducing the Elliott wave for those who don't know it. I don't use it. I don't use the Elliott waves. It's just for educational purposes. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and then usually after 5 waves we have a correction. So this is the ABC correction. So this is just speculating that we are in a wave 5. I don't use it because it's highly subjective, but so you know, now you have an idea of what it is. Bitcoin, this is the weekly chart of Bitcoin yet again. Yeah, I wanted to show you something very interesting here. If we take this weekly chart of Bitcoin, we can see here how when things go too far too quickly, I mean, does this look like the market we are having now? Yes, looks like it. And look what happens next. We correct heavily. You know, this is a 50% correction, which led to a bear market. So that's why when I'm saying we're going too far too fast, I'm not saying that because I'm negative. I'm saying that because it's not good. It's not good to have this kind of construction in the market. Because look at that. We have a long bear market after that. So that's why I don't like how Bitcoin is configured right now, because it doesn't even enter into my screen. We are really going parabolic. I mean, if this is not parabolic, what is? This is parabolic. And here we are. We can spike up to 20,000 or something like that and then correct, but at some point we will have to correct, and we will need a healthy correction, because that's what market do. We'll need something like this, a blow off top like this, you know. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, but I don't mean to scare you or anything. I think we're in a bull market and we can go much higher, but we need to be aware of those kind of things. I think the Ethereum looks very, very nice. I like Ethereum a lot. And especially if you consolidate here for a few weeks, I think it's very, very healthy. I think Ethereum is really beautiful. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day, and if you have comments or questions, don't hesitate to write that down in the comments below. Okay, see you next time.